Guman og Ramadan. Guys, nami karon sa 360. Kauban akong alaga nga gwapo. What? Dali na, you go there first. Dito na kami sa 360 guys. Tapos hindi kasama yung among alaga ko lang, tapos yung mga pinsan niya. Kaya ayan, hawakon pa siya. Punta kami doon. Ayan oh, yung entrance. We go to the Infinity. Yala. Infinity. This is the garage. Garage? Parking area, not garage ha? Garage ka dyan. Parking area pala to guys, hindi to garage.
Big garage. It's big garage. Look, beach on garage.
Sa sulod guys, nice kayo ang ilang kuan. Hindi na apod cake. Yes. But later, okay? Punta kami sa taas.
There's two.
Here? Here?
Oh, here.
No, because we asked.
There's down and up.
Yala, we go first. We asked there. The McDonald's.
It's first more like skin.
Oh, muna siya ang sinihan nila guys. Ito yung Cinescape. Oh, walang tao pa. Ito yung McDonald's, KFC. Ito yung mga...
Burger King.
But pupunta muna kami sa
Pizza Hut.
Infinity.
Oh,
Na
the
siya
pizza
lemonade.
Order pizza, lemonade, Pizza Hut.
Yes, Pizza Hut. Ano may karon sa Infinity guys na ay bagong at duwaan. So, antayin muna namin yung mga pinsan niya bago kami mag ano.
Eat here for dinner.
Yes.
Seafood place.
Not here maybe, I don't know where. We go roaming around. See oh, I think that is Basuma. Ah! Hamod, I want this to ride, okay?
Only you?
You and me. Yes. Huh?
Still young.
Sino still young?
Mama, siya alcohol.
Yes. I will buy this one chocolate free the lollipop. The lollipop and the wait, find the chocolate. Find the chocolate, guys. I-try namin guys kung may laman ba to kasi hindi ko pa nilagyan.
They're doing.
Kuha kami ng chocolate. Coffee? Try again. Wait. Wala na siya itong laman guys. Lagyan namin.
This one you face me na.
Gusto ko dito maglaro guys kasi ako lang yung magkakain ng chocolate. Sayang yung pera na uubos sila sa walang kwenta. Kaya laruin ko muna dito ng mga makakuha ko ng 10 chocolates. Ayan guys oh, yung isang piraso 80 pesos. Nantay pa kasi namin yung mga pinsan niya. Kaya dito muna kami sa loob, antay ng antay. Pag maano to siya, maiinip, lagyan na namin ng pera yung card niya. Worth of 4,000 pesos. Lollipop guys oh.
You ask Lamina.
Now we put now the money. We start to play now. O ba din Batswaya, okay? Tignan nyo yung ano guys, roller coaster. May roller coaster dito. There? Yes. Hey, Lazim, you close your eyes, huh? I close my eyes. Oh my God, this is the roller coaster. Oh. Sway here first, Badin. Nakakatakot, guys. Ayaw sumakay ng halaga ko dito. Diri guys, masakay mi, mag-drive. Mag-drive, mag-tricycle. Simek, live.
Dahil nanay ka yun.
Yeah, your nanny baliw.
Dahil
Yan na yung sasakyan namin papuntang Pilipinas. Oh. First time ko. Sasakay ako nito. Mag-drive ako. Abu Bakar. Hello. Tapos na kami naglaro,
Suma,
guys.
guess what?
Si Abu Bakar.
Suma.